Welcome to another episode of the GMT Edit. Today we have with us Yashvi, a superwoman, I guess, because she's an educator, an architect, a creator, and above all, a mother. Her experience in the industry says that every home has to be different and her design reflect the same. So come, let's know more about it. So welcome to the GMT Edit. So
Hi,
let's
thank
start
you.
with it. So you've studied architect and you've worked with some amazing brands in Surat. So how do you think your professional and personal and educational journey has helped you to build something you are today in the designing?
So basically, my journey as a architect, say studies or say my professional experience, has basically shaped me more as a person than as a designer, because it has taught me how we can like um,
How can you
manage the
manage
time,
time?
managing multiple things together, like being calm in a very chaotic situation.
Situation.
So, my professional experiences have built me as a person, I would say.
So, like you talk about building up, so you have worked with both projects, on-site projects and interior designing. What do you think, like, what is that importance of curtain in all projects and designing?
So I would say that curtains are not just a part of decoration. Curtains are basically, I would say, like vertical architecture itself. They bring a space together. Like bind a space together. A home without a curtain is always does always feel incomplete. You spend lakhs on furniture, but if your light is not falling properly on that furniture, it is always going to look flat.
So that
So that's how important the curtains
so
are.
that is the minor details that designers bring in.
Exactly.
So, like people prefer like darker tones, but how do you think that it makes the people have a belief that darker tones make their homes look heavy. So,
Yes.
what is your opinion on that?
I would say no. The darker tones don't make a look heavy. How the darker tone is paired with the other elements in the house matters a lot. So, how you have bought the contrast in your design, how have you layered it, how have you played with the textures, all of these elements matter a lot. So, I would say no, darker tones doesn't make a home look smaller. How have you used the darker tones? That
That
matters.
matters. So when we talk about layering and everything, usually people treat curtains as a secondary or last option. The decision about curtains are usually when the paints are over and everything. So what do you think? It should be in a priority list when they are designing it. They should keep it in a list.
Absolutely, absolutely. The point where the curtain selection have to be made is during the surface finish selection. When you are selecting the surface finishes of your house, is the correct time
Time.
to choose your curtains. When you are selecting your laminates or you are selecting your veneers or say any surface finish that you are selecting, is the correct time to choose the curtain. It should not be left at the end of the projects.
Yeah, otherwise it can be a make or break deal, I think.
Exactly. Yes, that's true.
So, while you are selecting a curtain for your client and they have their designing, they have their preferences, but what are the technical aspects you look into while selecting a curtain?
So, while selecting the curtain, my number one priority is the fall of a curtain. If the fall of a curtain is good, naturally the fabric is going to be good. So, fall of a curtain is very important. Fabric goes hand in hand. And the second thing, which is very important technical detail while selecting the curtain, is the inner lining of a fabric, because in Indian climate the sun falls directly on some windows and it is harsh
That's
and
true.
all of that. So if the lining is selected properly, it will make your curtain last longer.
Longer.
So yes, these are the three things that are important.
Important. So when you talk about Indian weather, Indian lightings and everything, what do you think curtain brands in India should do that they stand out, and what are the customer preferences with it, and what is the designer approach? What do you think will stand out as a curtain brand?
So standing out as a curtain brand, uh, number one, I would say, is the quality of your fabric. And for me, for curtain brand to run longer in this race, I think being classic is very important, and not following the trends and changing your collection every 2 3 months. Being classic and
That's
providing
true.
classic collection is what will make someone in this industry last longer.
So when you're talking about Indian clients and their expectations and how they have their designing, so Indian colors are a lot dependent on beige and browns.
Yes.
So do you think it's done or there is still time to play with it?
Uh, I would say that beige is not bad. It can still go longer, but beige always have to be layered properly, because there is chance, there are like big chance of beige looking flat if you have not layered it, if you have
Properly.
not used proper textures with it. So yes, layering is very important, and tints and tones, using tints and tones of beige is really important. So yeah, I think beige is lambi days ka goda. It will go longer.
So congratulations on the motherhood.
Thank you.
So how do you think it has changed you? Has it changed your designing expect like you think look at things differently while choosing it also?
Absolutely. Like, not as a, like, I don't choose differently now, but I work differently now. I have chosen like uh, quality over quantity. I would say that is a very common thing. But volume over quality is what I choose now. Like, freedom of having time is something that I choose now. Before, I used to take multiple projects. I had like long schedules. I used to start working at 8 in the morning and would be working like in 10 till 10 in the night. But now, priorities have shifted a bit towards my kid now, so I choose like freedom of having time, and more of
So you're choosing
a
quality over quantity.
quality over quantity. Yes.
So when you talk so strongly about colors, dark colors, neutral colors, so how does this confidence come up with? Like is it your experience or your education? Like what is the approach of the confidence of choosing the right color? Because it plays a lot with your home.
Yes. So when I was like a fresher, and when passed out from my college, I was very excited to use colors in my designs. But when I went into the field and practiced with some good firms in Surat, I realized that uh, going bold is not bad, but how we control being bold is what is important.
Important.
That is what has my professional practice with the firms taught me. This is a little bit out of the box thing that I'm going to say, but as an academician, I see that a lot of students do not want to do jobs anymore. They directly want to be in the field and earn fast money and all of that. But professional experience teaches you a lot.
That's true.
Working under seniors, they correcting you, they grilling you at some point is very important. It completely changes how you practice, how you become as a person.
That's true.
So, yes, being professional and being in the field, taking decisions about bold colors and light colors, that all comes with experience and working with a professional individual. That is really important.
So when we talk about curtains today and modern approach towards it, sustainability is playing a lot. A lot of new talks about sustainability. Is this trend going to be lasting forever?
So, talking about sustainability, sustainability is about being timeless. Sustainability is not about following trends and going gaga about a new thing which is in the market. No, sustainability is about longevity for me, because in architecture or interior design, sustainability is the most talked about thing, but that's some architecture and interior design create a lot of carbon footprint as well. So this field is about longevity of a material.
That's
So
true.
if the material is working longer, if it's more durable, it is sustainable.
So, you've worked with a lot of clients in Gujarat, and overall, like Surat, Ahmedabad, Rajkot, everywhere in Gujarat. What is that one thing about people from Gujarat that they are like, अरे यार ये तो गुजरात में ही ऐसा डिजाइन अप्रोच है और
Hmm. So one of the common things that I've noticed amongst my client is that they are not very shy. They don't shy away from a new approach or a new material to be used. They are very bold about experimenting, and also they want to be connected to their roots.
that's true.
They are not like that, we want something very blingy and very shiny. No, they do want to be connected to their roots, because a lot of my clients are from, they have one of their homes in their village, and this is the second home probably that they are building in most of the cases, not all cases. So they want something from their old house, a memory, a design element or something like that. So they want to be connected to their roots. At the same time, they don't shy away from experimenting.
That's a very special thing about Gujaratis, I think.
Yes.
So let's do a fun rapid fire round now.
Okay, is there a hamper? I'm getting a hamper for this.
You'll get a Jai Mavi Textiles bedsheet collection for
Oh
it.
wow, wonderful.
Pastel tones or floral tones?
I think none. I would go with bold, solid colors. That is what is my taste.
So, what is the least favorite place to design?
I think dressing rooms with lots of wardrobes and a mirror, those are my least favorite spaces.
So, if you could design a room for your kid, what do you think would the theme be?
Currently, she do not have a preference because she is too small. But I would love to have her space, have a lot of Tom and Jerry effects and feels, the little holes and little bit of everything in it. So Tom and
So, you're
Jerry is what.
fulfilling your designing
Yes.
approach of
As of
kind
now,
of.
yes.
So, one word for the phase of your life right now you're in.
I would use two words, or I would say that I'll combine two words, which is chaotic calm. It is chaos, but it's really beautiful and calmful at the moment.
So, a trend in curtain that you think it's going to stay forever.
I think linens are going to stay forever.
A color you think everybody needs to say goodbye to.
I don't think any, because a color is a color, but the shade and tint of that color is going plays an important role. So I don't think any.
So, what do you think? Curtains which are touching the ground or slightly above?
Touching the ground.
Okay. Thank you. It was fun having you on the show. Thank
Thank
you for
you.
doing this with us. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so
Thank
much.
you.
It's a pleasure.